Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are healthy. So today I'm really excited for this video because today we are going to a very special place, Deepor Bill. It's within the close vicinity of the city, but I haven't been there like ever. So today I decided to go there. First we had plans for Bornadi's Wildlife Sanctuary, but then I came to know it remains closed on Sunday. Deepor Bill was third on my list, and it's such a special place. I'll tell you why. This place directly or indirectly connects about 14 villages whose livelihood is dependent on this place, basically on the natural resource of this place. Freshwater fishing is one of the main occupants of people here, and around 1200 families are dependent on it. So locals as well as government are really committed to preserve the natural beauty of that place, to preserve the natural resources of this place. So let's go to check out more.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned.
So guys, I'm standing here in the famous bridge number 738. It's famous basically because it has a rail line passing through it, but what's it's famous for is basically the viewpoint. It acts as a viewpoint for visitors, whoever come here to visit Deepor Bill. I'll show you how it is. What an incredible view you can have walking through this bridge, and I'll show you so many visitors here enjoying this mesmerizing view. Isn't it magnificent? The boatings are right now closed. They have been closed since March, but I think the view is worth coming for, worth visiting, and this is going to make your weekend so amazing. You'd love to spend time here with your be it loved ones. Even if you're a couple, I see so many couples in the bike. They're having gala time here, everyone having the time of their life. They're just sitting down there having long conversation, talking about their goals, life and everything. And it's such a place to be. This is like the place to be when you want to have a relaxing weekend away from the city. You just want to be in the lap of nature. This is the place, guys. Come here, visit here, and be mesmerized and be left awestruck with the beauty here.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
There's a small but cozy place in here, Khalita Dhaba and Restaurant. You can use washroom here if you want to, and you can also order for tea or coffee or maybe a hot meal. The food is not really great or something, but yeah, you can have it. It's kind of decent. You also have other option in here. You can check out those as well. enjoying the view as we go back to the city. Right now the boating is closed, and that is a huge setback because that's the only activity which happens here. However, you can come here if you want to enjoy a meal with a view or simply roadside snack. This place offers so much in terms of view and variety of roadside snack. You can come here as well with your loved one, engage in a deep conversation. That about it for Deepor Reel today, guys. I'll see you very soon with another amazing place. And I want you guys to really like and subscribe to my channel so that it motivates me to make more amazing video for you guys. You guys are simply the best, and thank you so much for watching.